Here is a detailed list of ingredients for your easy reference, and for additional written instructions, please see the link in the description box below. So I just picked these beautiful moringa pods or drumsticks from the yard, and tonight we're just going to eat it steamed with some pesto or just salted pepper. So I'm just going to cut this into about 3-inch long, 3-inch pieces. And as you can see, they're quite fibrous, so be careful. And we only eat the inside, so the inside fleshy part once it's cooked. The pod and the inside fleshy part is what you'll scoop out with your teeth. And you can chew on the drumstick, but you don't want to swallow this. This is extremely fibrous and can hurt you. So you don't want to eat the green covering, just the pulp that's inside. I'm going to put this in my steamer, and you can just boil them or pressure cook them, but I don't want them to become too soggy and water laden, so I'm going to steam this for about 15 minutes, and you can do it in an open pan. I'm going to do it in a pressure cooker so that it's really quick. I can use my Instant Pot or your regular pressure cooker, anything is okay. So about 2 minutes in the Instant Pot or 1 whistle in a regular pressure cooker. So I have about 1/2 inch of water in here. I will put my pods in there, seal, and then we will cook it. So I will pressure cook it for about 2 minutes. So let's see. There we go. Ooh. And those are beautifully steamed. And this is going to be part of my dinner today. As you can see, this is the part that I'm going to eat, the fleshy part, and you see the seeds, that's what is edible. And I'll sprinkle some salt and pepper on these and dip them in a little bit of pesto. This is the a nut-free pesto that I made last week, so this is going to be dipped in some pesto and eaten. And this is my dinner plate today, summer dinner. So sprinkle my moringa pods with a little bit of salt and pepper, and I'm going to dip this in some pesto just to show you what I'm going to eat. I'm going to eat just the fleshy part. So this is that you do not want to eat this. This is very fibrous, so just the fleshy part is to be eaten. And it's delicious. It goes very well with just salt and pepper, and you can always add other flavors to change the taste up.